Guys, hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the second part of the lesson Arabic alphabet. We saw the first lesson was about presenting all the Arabic alphabets at once. After that, we saw the first part was about the letters Alif and Ba. We saw how we write them within words in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the words. In this session, we are going to see two more letters, and as I said, each session we will take just two letters until we finish 28 letters. This is mainly to avoid being loaded and because also that will make the lesson a little bit boring and too long to watch at once. So the third, as we did last time, we're going to start like this from right to left. This is how we will read from right to left. So let's take the third letter. The third letter is ta. Ta. This is how it's pronounced in Arabic, ta, and this is the equivalent in English, T, the sound T. Now let's see its variations when it is written within words. Let's start with the first word here. This word is pronounced like this, tara, tara. If you see, this is how we write ta when it comes at the beginning of a word. It's attached to the letter that follows it. The meaning of this word in English is she sees, she sees. Don't confuse yourself with rules now, because as soon as we finish letters, we will move to rules like subject, object, tenses, pronouns, etc., etc., inshallah. The second, look at this word, satara. This is how ta is written when it comes at the middle of the word. It is attached to both the letter that comes before it and to the letter that comes after it. And in English, it's pronounced, this word is pronounced like satara. Conceal, conceal, or to cover. It means to conceal or to cover someone or something. Great. Now let's see these three variations when it comes at the end of the word. If you see here, guys, it's the same letter in a red color. We have here khuttatun, 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 which means a plan. It's in grammar, it is singular, feminine noun. So when we use this letter at the end of a word, and this word is feminine and singular, we have to write it like this. It's a closed circle with two dots above, just as the two dots of the original. Nice. Now let's move here. This word is pronounced la'ibat, la'ibat. It is a verb, singular, feminine verb, which means she played. So when I'm using a verb with singular feminine, which is she, I add ta at the end like this. It must be open. This is called ta mabsuta, ta mabsuta. And this one in khuttatun is called ta marbuta, ta marbuta. Great. The third word is this one, muallimatun, which means plural feminine noun, female teachers. In Arabic, there is this distinction between feminine and masculine in plural and in singular. So when you write a feminine word or noun in plural, ta is written at the end like this, just as we have here in the original. Great. Now let's move to tha. Tha. th. It's pronounced in English th, just like the word three, three. Nice. Now let's see its variations. If we take the first word, ثمين, ثمين, which means expensive or valuable, it's just like ta. We write it like this. It must be attached to the letter that follows it with 3 dots up. Now let's see when it comes in the middle. The word is مثمر. مثمر. مثمر means fruitful. Fruitful. So the same as we saw with ta, tha also must be attached to the letter that precedes it and the letter which comes after it. This is when it is written within or in the middle of the word. Now let's see the third word. رث. رث. It is written as in the original, just like this. When it comes at the end, mostly like this, or for example, if we take this word مثلث, which means a triangle, مثلث, it will be attached to the last letter. There are certain letters in Arabic which cannot be attached to some letters. We are going to see these letters when we finish presenting letters, inshallah. Guys, I want to draw your attention to something before I close. Look at this diacritic. It is this one, on. It's called tanween. Tanween in Arabic means pronouncing the sound n, on, even if there is no letter n. Well, this is it for today, inshallah. The next lesson will be about the 2 following letters. We're going to see them like this. So enjoy, subscribe to the channel, activate the alert bell, and expect 1 lesson every day, or 2 lessons or 3 lessons, inshallah. Best regards. God bless.